nice to meet you. Toyota has given me the opportunity to take a closer look at the all-new Aygo Cross, and I would love to share my experiences with you.
The first thing I thought the first time I saw the Aygo Cross was, what a design.
Look at it. The Aygo Cross is unlike anything I've seen so far in the field of compact city cars. It's a compact city crossover, the first car of this type in its class.
See how the oversized bumpers and the large 18-inch diameter wheels really give it that wide stance? In combination with the black moldings, those big wheels really highlight that high stance that we all love from crossovers. The car is incredibly dynamic, and it really gives us a sense of confidence. Now let's take a closer look at the front. Those headlamps are in fact full LED headlamps. At the back,
The very cool Aygo rear light design is
preserved, giving a nice link to former Aygo generations, I think. To me, the whole design feels bold, without being aggressive. You can really tell that the exterior styling was top priority for Toyota on this one. It's really strong, and that bitone paint just looks stunning. I know some of you are desperately waiting for some facts, so here they are. Designed for city streets at 3.7 meters in length,
The Aygo Cross features a tight turning circle of 4.7 meters.
one of the best in its class, making it really agile. With the elevated ground clearance of 146 millimeters, brings lots of benefits when driving in the city. Steep parking ramps are a problem of the past. Curbs, speed bumps, the car won't touch or risk being scratched. Together with a higher seating position,
Raised by 55 millimeters, the Aygo Cross allows you to see.
and be seen, which is really important in today's congested cities,
The Aygo Cross is a little wider than the previous model.
which gives you a real spacious feeling when in the cabin, without affecting its agility. But I'll get into that later, I promise.
Now let's talk about personalizing Aygo Cross through its
New color concept. It is inspired by various spices to develop a unique range of colors
for the Aygo Cross.
each capturing the flavors and personalities of the car. Aygo Cross is available in a choice of 4 spicy bitone colors: fun and fiery chili red, an adventurous cardamom green, a vibrant and original juniper blue, or a sophisticated ginger beige. Whoever you are, there's a flavor to match. Beautiful, aren't they? Which is your favorite spice? And the great design doesn't stop at the exterior. Take a look at these interior highlights. They match the exterior spice color throughout the interior. My personal favorite is the cross-stitching here on the seats, perfectly matching the exterior. This is a great 4-seat interior to share with your friends. With its oval themes and color coding, it really lives up to the amazing exterior design. But let's focus on some more practical features. Notice that large glass area? Combined with a higher seating position, you sit 55 millimeters higher, which is typical of a crossover. It gives you great visibility. And in the city, visibility is key, as it also allows for better eye contact with other road users, like pedestrians or cyclists. Also, a lot of work has been put into the sensory quality of the interior, making it a great place for you to spend quality time in. Importantly, you can really feel that increased width of the car. The interior feels roomy and offers lots of space in the front seats. I also noticed that there is plenty of headspace in here. It's incredible how much space there is in such a compact car. There's also plenty of room for luggage. With a boot size of 231 litres, this is best in class and great benefit of the crossover design. And if you love fresh air, there's a model for you. The Aygo Cross Air with a fully opening canvas sunroof.
When we're in our cars, we want to feel totally connected and have our playlists at our fingertips. Aygo Cross doesn't disappoint here.
This is the all-new 9-inch Toyota Smart Connect system that offers both wired and wireless smartphone connectivity via Android Auto and Apple CarPlay, and also wireless charger. The Smart Connect system also offers cloud-based navigation that provides live route information. No more surprises in the city. On top of this, a new JBL premium audio system is also available.
Toyota collaborated with JBL, and together they developed a sound system to the unique characteristics of the Aygo Cross.
The audio system consists of 4 speakers, coupled with a 300-watt amplifier and a large 200mm subwoofer located in the boot, to deliver that powerful bass and musical clarity we all love.
The Aygo Cross is fully connected.
And with the mighty app, you can keep track of your car, including driving analytics, fuel levels, warnings, and even remote control features. And it will get even better with the new services introduced over time, which are uploaded automatically via over-the-air updates. You don't have to lift a finger. In summary, intuitive to use, seamless to connect to, the feature-packed Aygo Cross feels like an extension of your smartphone on wheels. Okay, so it looks great, but let's talk about how it drives. This car's natural habitat is the city, and city driving calls for something that needs to be agile, maneuverable, and nimble to drive.
This car redefines how a compact city car performs.
Aygo Cross comes with a choice of manual or automatic transmissions. On the manual, second gear, the gear you will be using most in the city, was specifically tuned so you can use it for longer, as it has a greater range. This prevents you from having to shift gears quite so much. Sounds like a little thing, but it will increase driving comfort a lot. When it comes to automatic, Toyota is introducing SCVT, which stands for Continuously Variable Transmission. This means the car can constantly use the right amount of torque without having to shift gears, which results in incredible smoothness.
By the way, this is something which is quite unique in its class.
And again, some technical details for those among you who want to know the hard facts.
Aygo Cross is powered by a 1-litre petrol engine
That meets all European regulations and has been designed to maximize fuel efficiency and reduce CO2 emissions. With a lightweight, all-new body, efficient aerodynamics, and low-friction tires, it achieves a combined cycle fuel consumption of only 4.7 litres per 100 kilometre. It also has a class-leading CO2 of 107 grams per kilometre. It is responsive with a lot of character. The gearbox, clutch, and engine management software have been adapted and tuned specifically to Aygo Cross, which enhances the performance even more. So it's not only agile, but it's fun to drive too. Efficient and fun to drive. That will take some beating. With cities getting busier, it sometimes feels like you need eyes in the back of your head. Safety of you, your passengers, and other road users is really important.
That's why with Aygo Cross, Toyota is introducing Toyota Safety Sense as standard, including big car features,
such as lane trace assist and adaptive cruise control on all variants.
Even more big car features debut in the Aygo Cross,
including day and night pedestrian detection, daytime cyclist detection, daytime emergency steering assist, and intersection turn assist. These are just some of the driver aids that have your back that make Aygo Cross best in its class for safety.
All I can say, it is a revolution having all of that in an affordable, compact city car.
So that's it for my Aygo Cross walk around. I am still amazed by the number of features, and of course by that outstanding design. Have a great day. Drive safely, and thanks for your attention.